Are you ready to unlock success in affiliate marketing like never before? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're diving into the easiest affiliate marketing methods with absolutely $0, 0 follower and 0 experience. Do you think it is possible? That's right, we're spilling the beans on how to leverage the power of Pinterest and other 2 programs which I will show you in this video, to skyrocket your affiliate earnings. But first, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jeffa, and on this channel, we're all about helping you crush your online business goals. So if you're ready to level up your affiliate game and make 2024 your most profitable year yet, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded entrepreneurs. Alright, let's dive in. Picture this. Stunning pins that not only catch the eye but also drive massive traffic to your affiliate offers. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because we're about to break down the easiest methods to create Pinterest pins that convert like crazy. Wait, I have 2 more programs to show you. Have you ever asked yourself how to share your article online without a website? Here's your answer. With Medium.com offer you a free chance to post your article for free. Maybe what does Medium.com concerning with? This is the reading site where it has more than 100 million views per month, where people pay so as to read some valuable content online. I will show you later how to use this as your website for free and get a lot of traffic from it. Next, the advantage of this site is you will get paid 2 times per single post, which means that Medium.com will pay you per website visit under your post. Second, within your post you will add an affiliate link, so once you make a sale, you get paid too. That's why we will use Pinterest to drive more traffic to our post so as to accelerate our earnings, since organic traffic from Medium.com increase with a boost of external traffics. Once a lot of people from interest visit your post in Medium.com, they will promote your post to target audience, hence high chance of making commission. Another important issue in affiliate marketing: finding appropriate niche, which is converting. Failure to choose the right niche, off you go. You will promote your affiliate link, people will click on it, but you will never make commission. So what to do? Here is the solutions. First, use the finance niche as the source of your affiliate link. This is because finance niche is the top converting niche and affiliate link. Second, find an high ticket offer. What does that mean? High ticket offer means offer that will give you huge commission per single sale. So only one sale will give you $500 to $10,000. I know what comes to your head, a lot of question. Where to find a program with finance high ticket offers while you may not have a website so as to get approved from those programs? Too easy, as I promised you before. Today I will show you a brand new affiliate program which it is finance niche and is high ticket offer. Furthermore, you will get an affiliate offer within 2 minutes. That brilliant, right? Well, that program is a PG affiliate program. The link is in the description below. Sign up for an account, then grab your affiliate link on the spot. This is trading platform where people pay for a demo account coaching so as to learn how to trade online, like forex trading or coaching. You will earn start from 7% to 20%, which gives you a minimum of $500 per sale. So we have affiliate link now and 2 source of traffic. Now let's see how to promote your affiliate link in Medium.com easily. First, you need to go to ChatGPT and tell to write article for you on how to start trading online, and using a demo account is the best way for successfulness. After get your article, you will not use directly, it will get blocked in Medium since it is AI generated. In order to convert it to human written, use undetectable.ai. This is the only AI tools that is working now. We can check AI status of our article. As you can see here, it has been detected as AI generated article. Click on Humanize so as to convert it. Your article must not exceed 250 words. If it exceed, remove some words. Once done, click on Humanize. Once humanization process complete, cross-check your article, if it has related message. If it's okay, copy it, go to googledocs.com and paste your article for further editing and adding your affiliate link. Make final editing of your article, like bolding a title, removing some space and finding place to put your affiliate link. You have to ready a whole article so as to find an appropriate place where you can put your affiliate link. You can add call to actions text too so as to maximize the clicking rate. I will add affiliate link here since it talk about demo account. You can add link to more than 3 place so as to maximize click-through rate. I will find another 2 place to add my affiliate link. The most important thing that you have to note here is don't use AI generated articles. Make sure you convert it into human written article. Also, let me tell you the secret behind affiliate marketing. Consistency is the key for your success. Choose one method, then put much effort on it for a long time. I promise you that will work for you and generate your first commission. But if you try a lot of methods, partially none of them will work and finally you will give up. Since I have tested this methods and worked to my I recommend you to try this too. Stick up to the end of this video so as to do it correctly. Once done, copy your article, then log in to your Medium account. Click on write and paste your article. Make a final review if you to prove if the link is added. The text which are underlined are those which contain your affiliate link. If you find everything is okay, now click on publish. You will need to add a category of your article. Make sure you add appropriate one since it will help Medium to find appropriate audience for you. So for our article the category is make money online. Finally click on publish or you can schedule it. If your article is AI generated, it will be rejected, but since this article has converted, has successful published. Now click on share, then copy your article link to use it in Pinterest so as to increase the view rate to our article. As I said, Medium will pay you once people come to read your article, and once they pay for your affiliate offer you make commission too. Okay. Log in to your Pinterest account if you don't have yet. Sign up for a business account. After login, go to your profile and edit it to look similar to our niche, which is making money online. So edit your profile name, profile picture and about page. This will help you Pinterest to rank your pins once someone search for it. Also, a goof profile will influence people to engage on your pins and click the link. Furthermore, on the website section add your Medium post link. This also maximize click-through rate. This is my profile view after complete editing it. I think it looks somehow good to maximize engagement of our view. Use enough time to edit your profile so as to look more professional. As I said before, consistency is the key for your success. All successful people invested their time in a single niche and takes affiliate marketing as a serious business. Now go back to home page, then click on create pin. You need to create a pin which looks smart and engaging. As I promised, this is the easiest affiliate method. We will canva.com to create a wonderful pin in 2 minutes. So go to canva.com, then register for an account, then click on create a design, then choose Pinterest pin. You will find a lot of templates inside, but filter it and search for template related to make money online. From there choose any of the template, then make some editing so as to be related with online trading, since our post in Medium is about online trading. Make sure to choose 3 necessary keywords to ads on your pin so as to deliver a visual message. Use other tools in Canva like in elements like coins, Forex signal so as to add more element which are related to online trading. You can go to Pinterest, then search for online trading and find a good performing pins. They try to make it similar to yours. Once done, click on share, then download, and download in PNG mode. After download complete, back to Canva, upload your design. You can drag it or upload manually. After upload, fill the information as I do. Make sure your title and description is too smart, because title will influence either someone to engage in your pin or not. If you don't have an idea on what to write on description, you can ask ChatGPT to write a short description for you. Also, you have to make sure that the keywords are included in the description for SEO optimization when someone search for online trading. Another aspect is to add a link. Here you need to add your affiliate link, but don't add it as it is. Use URL shorter to short your link so as to look smart. After shortening your link, copy and paste in link section. Another important part is on tags. Tags will help to rank your post on searching, so you have to make sure that you add appropriate tags according to your post. You can write money, then select for tags related to it. And finally click on publish to publish your post. After posting your pin, create another pin through the same process. Make sure you create at least 10 pins per day so as to get more views and engagement, and finally Pinterest will rank your post and give more impression, and finally you will make commission. Also, again, be consistent. Don't use that profile to post another pins that are not related to make money online. If you are complete beginner, you need a step-by-step guide about Pinterest affiliate marketing. Watch the video showing on the screen. Thank you for watching. Please support me by like and subscribe to my channel so as to find more valuable content for you. See you in the next video.